I'll guide you through contacting Chime Member Services for immediate help with a lost card, dispute, or direct deposit issue without ever having to search for a phone number. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. If it's about a suspicious or unauthorized charge, the first step is to immediately secure your account to prevent further unauthorized charges. Open the Chime app on your home screen. Tap the profile icon. Select Account Settings to access your card controls. Tap View and Freeze Cards to instantly block transactions on your debit card. For the fastest way to speak to a representative, use the in-app chat. Navigate back to the profile icon. Tap Help Center to access the support menu to connect with a 24/7 live agent. For urgent or complex issues, call Member Services directly at 1-844-244-6363. This 24/7 hotline is best for complicated disputes or if you're locked out of the app. To dispute a transaction, navigate to the specific charge on your home screen. Tap Problem with this transaction to initiate the investigation process directly. To report a lost or stolen card, navigate back to your profile and account settings. Tap View and Freeze Cards again, and then select Manage Physical Card to choose the replacement option. Before contacting live support, check the Help Center at help.chime.com for quick answers. Remember, for your security, only use these official contact methods. Avoid any other numbers or links you find online. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.